are going to love the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights, steel wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.